Have you heard of sea moss? Today I'm going to tell you what it is, what it's for, and what does it do. Hi, I'm Natasha. Here we make straightforward meals following Dr. Savory's nutritional guide. And today we're going to talk about sea moss. Make sure you stick to the end. I'm going to show you how to use it in a savory dish and not just in your smoothies. Okay, let's go. Okay, today's sponsor is Herbal Vineyards. They are a company that harvests wild crafted sea moss. They have the purple and they have the gold. And they sent me a product to taste. So let's taste them. First, let's taste the gold. Tastes smooth, tastes like. So this one doesn't have a strong sea flavor. It's very smooth and it's like nice and silky. I like that one. Let's see, how does this one taste? So the purple one. Ooh, the purple one has closer to a sea flavor. You can get it in the raw form where you can make your own gel, or you can get the pre-made gel, and it's up to you. And they blend their sea moss with natural spring water, so it's definitely Alkaline approved. If you'd like to get your hands on your own sea moss from Herbal Vineyards, there's a link in the description. Click that for your discount. So what is sea moss? Well, sea moss is just seaweed. Yep, it's just the weed of the sea. Nothing too crazy about it. No, I'm just kidding. So the benefits of sea moss, that it improves your energy. It gives you more than 90% of the nutrients you need in your body. It helps improve your immune system to help you fight off sickness. It strengthens your muscles. It helps with healthy weight loss. And guess what? It increases your mood. So we've been taking sea moss for the past 7 days, and I have noticed improvement in the mood of my children. And I noticed their moods is so much better than before. And I think it contributes to the sea moss. It gives you this energy that you're like, ooh, I feel really good. Let me be nice and kind to people. There's no need to be angry because I have the minerals I need. If you made it this far in the video, let's go make some fish fillets using sea moss. Because what's great about sea moss is when you cook it, it's a natural thickening. Okay, let's go make that fish fillet. Okay, first we're going to start with our chickpea tofu here. This chickpea tofu, if you want the recipe, it's in the cards up top. And we don't need the whole thing, we need about half of it. So we put it in our bowl and we're gonna break it up. It has a lot of water in it, so I'm gonna squeeze some of that water out. This tofu was frozen and thawed, and now it's thawed out. So that's why it's breaking up like this. Okay, next we're gonna use Enkoi Mushrooms. So chop this part off, which I don't like that part. So we chop that off, and then we're going to rinse. After you rinse them off, you can break them up if you like, but we're going to cut them into smaller pieces. So you're going to cut them fairly, not too small. Like a half an inch-ish. So for the seasonings, we'll start simple with 1 teaspoon of ginger powder and 1 teaspoon of onion powder, about 1/8 of teaspoon of cayenne, and then 1 teaspoon of dill. And then we add 1 teaspoon of sea salt. I started with 1 tablespoon of chickpea flour, and then I did 2 teaspoons of date sugar. Now it's time to add my binder. So since the purple has more of a seafood flavor, I'm going to add that one instead of the gold one. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons, which is your daily recommend dose of sea moss. Okay, and now we get to mix. Okay, half of a teaspoon of kelp seasoning. Okay, and then you're going to let it sit in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. I took 1 piece of nori and cut it into 4s. And I noticed my mixture is kind of loose, so I added more chickpea flour. So I end up with 3 tablespoons of chickpea flour to the 2 tablespoons of sea moss. Remember, the sea moss is the binder, and the chickpea flour is going to help soak that all up. Then I took a third of a cup to make for each of my fish fillets. So you can do whatever size you like, but I thought the third of a cup was a nice size. And then what I'm doing is just pretty much sticking it right on top of the nori sheet and then bringing up the sides. And now I'm just letting the mixture wet the nori sheet so that it adheres to it. And you can let it sit for a little bit to help it bind better. You notice your mixture is too wet, add some more chickpea flour, or if you notice, oh, your tofu pieces are too big, take it out and put some smaller pieces or break it more. So depending on how you break it up. And now once you're done, it's time to make marks in them. So these marks help with that golden brown look, and they're not going to be perfect, and that's okay. So I estimated about 4 to 5 little marks on each. You want to heat your pan to low medium and add some oil. So you're going to flip it in a pan, skin side up. You know it's ready to flip the skin side down. It's when it's easy to slide the fillets in the pan. And oh, that brown color is so pretty. And you just cook them for about 3 minutes on non-skin and then like 2 minutes on skin side. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Hey, if you want to try sea moss, please click the link in the description below to get your discount. And let's try it and see how it tastes. Ooh, yes, it's really good. It has that sea taste. It came together very nicely. I'm eating it with a bowl of quinoa and a sauce, and the sauce recipe is in the description below. Oh yeah, you should give this a try. Not crazy ingredients, easy to put together. And if you want more menu ideas, click the link below of the 5-day Alkaline menu plan. It's free, and you'll always have something to eat that's on the this Alkaline journey. This is good. The nori sheet. I need a knife. Oh, it's been sitting for a while, so I'll show you how it fits in the inside. There it is. Got crushed on the top is really good. This reminds me of a fish cake. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.